Ultra high definition wax is our most advanced wax yet. It's the result of years of meticulous development to produce our most luxurious wax finish ever. Blended with the finest organic and synthetic ingredients, including the highest grade of Carnauba wax ever used in an Autoglym product, UHD wax goes beyond showroom shine to a whole new level of finish. Start by inspecting your clean, dry paintwork for any contamination or light scratches. If required, treat with surface detailing clay kit, scratch remover, or super resin polish. Dampen the white side of the supplied wax applicator. Gently dab the applicator in the wax, being careful not to apply too much. A quarter turn is plenty. UHD wax has a smooth, buttery feel, so only a very thin layer is required. There is no benefit in over-applying. It may just make it harder to buff off later. Apply in a light circular motion to cool paintwork, leaving a thin, even layer on all surfaces. Be careful not to apply to unpainted rubber or unpainted plastic trim. If you do get wax on any unwanted areas, then fast glass is the best way to remove it. Leave the wax film to dry on the surface for 10 to 15 minutes and then buff to a high gloss with the supplied high-tech finishing cloth, turning it frequently during use. When applied correctly, UHD wax will not set hard or become difficult to remove. You can also use UHD wax to protect your wheels. Just ensure they are clean and dry first. To maintain the finish, wash regularly with ultra high definition shampoo. It will remove the dirt, but not the UHD wax. After use, wash the wax applicator in a mild detergent, rinse, and then allow to air dry. Your paintwork will now be easier to clean, quicker to dry, and protected with our longest lasting mirror-like shine for up to 6 months.